Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Dapoli, Surat, Standard 10, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. In previous lecture, we completed about the exercise 5.3 up to question number 12. Let's we begin with question number 13. In question number 13, you can see that find the sum of first multiples of the 8. Here we have to just find out the sum of the first 15 multiples of the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24 and 32 respectively. These are in an arithmetic progression having first term as 8 and common difference as 8. Therefore a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 8. So a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 8. Just put the value of that. Then after 15 by 2 into 2 into multiplication with 8, 15 minus 1 into multiplication with 8. So here you can see that 15 by 2 in the multiplication 8 by 2, that is 16, 15 minus 1, that is a 14, and multiply that with the 8. 15 by 2, 16 into multiplication with 14 into multiplication with 8, so 112. So 16 plus 112, that is a 15 into multiplication with 128 divided by 2. So 15 multiplied by 64, that gives us 960. So S50, that is a 960. Find the sum of the odd number between the 0 and 50. So the odd number between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 49. Therefore it can be observed that these odd number are in arithmetic progression. A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2 and L is equal to 49. So L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So L is equal to 49, A is equal to 1. Here we have to find n minus 1 and D is equal to 2. So 49 minus 1, that is 48, and 2 into multiplication with n minus 1. Then after n minus 1 is equal to 24, n is equal to 25. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into multiplication with a plus l. S25 is equal to 25 by 2 and in the bracket 1 plus 49. So 25 in the bracket 50 by 2, that is a 25 multiplied by 25, that is 625. In question number 15, A is equal to contract on construction job specify a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain rate follows rupees 200 for first day, rupees 250 for second day and rupees 300 for the third day. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day, how much money the contractor has to be paid as penalty if he has delay in the work by 30 days. So here answer of that, it can be observed these penalties are in the arithmetic progression having first term a s is equal to 200 and common difference is equal to 50. So a is equal to 200 and d is equal to 50. Then after penalty that has to be paid if he has delayed the work by 30. So S30 is equal to 30 by 2. In the multiplication with, we have to just put the values of that such kind of terms in the formula of the S. So S30 is equal to 30 by 2 and 2 into multiplication with 200 plus 30 minus 1. So that is given in the bracket, that is 50. So 15 into bracket 400 plus 1450, which gives us 15 into multiplication with 1850. So the multiplication of the two terms, that gives us 27,750. Therefore the contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 penalty. Okay, in this way you can find the penalty of any terms. Then after question number 16, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. Let the cost of first prize to be P, and cost of second prize, that is P minus 20, cost of third prize, that is a P minus 40. It can be observed that cost of these prizes are in an arithmetic progression having common difference as minus 20, first term as A is equal to P and D is equal to minus 20. Here they gives us S7 is equal to 700, and here n by 2 into multiplication 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a 700. So 2a into 7 minus 1, that is 6, and d is equal to minus 20. So 2a plus 6 into minus 20 divided by 2, that is a 100. So a plus 3 into minus 20, that is a minus 60, that is a 100, and a is equal to 160 for each. Therefore the value of each of the prizes was rupees 160, rupees 140, and rupees 120, and for rupees 100, rupees 80 and 60, and rupees 40 respectively. So in this I just repeat, P is equal to 20, that is second prize, because the mean difference is 20 rupees, and first prize is P. So second is obviously P minus 20, third prize is P minus 20 minus 20. Okay, so P minus 40 over here. It can be observed that the cost of this price are in the arithmetic progression having common difference as minus 20 and first term as P. So A is equal to P, and here we have to take D is equal to minus 20, because in each and every step we have to use the D is equal to minus 20 over here, and A is such a P price, that is a given, that we taken as assumption. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that is 700. So here you can see that 2a plus 6 into minus 20 by 2, that is a plus 13 into minus 20, that is 100, and a minus 60, that is a 100. So a is equal to 160. Therefore the value of the each of the price was rupees 160, 140, 120, and 180, 60, and rupees 40, etc. Here same example, question number 15. I repeat because it is IMP example for the board examination. So A is equal to 200, D is equal to 50. So penalty that has paid is in 30 days. So here we take the 50 as a penalty. Okay, so preceding day we have two penalties. D is equal to 50. So 30 by 2, 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1, that is 50. So 50 into 400 plus 1450, that is 1850. So that gives us 27,750. Therefore the contractor has to pay 27,750 as penalty. Okay, so you have to just focus on the question and you have to evaluate that which term is being A and which term is being 50. Okay, and then after you have to just put the values of that terms in the equation for the summation, nothing else. Okay, thank you so much.